check out the centipede. I'm gonna dig him up. Oh man, check him out. Well, I found this plank. I'm gonna take it back to camp and make a bench out of it. Alright. Okay, so then I found that plank. It's time to gather up some other materials so that we can get it off the ground. So, brought my trusty machete along, and I found the perfect items that I need. Check this out. See right there? Beautiful Y shape. This is on a dead cedar tree. This has fallen over since Irma. And that Y right there is what I need. I'm going to need 2 of those. And that first one right here is, I want to cut it down at the base so that it gives me enough room to bury that end into the ground. And I'm going to need 2 of these. Let the blade do all the work. Don't overexert yourself. This machete's heavy enough to where just a single drop will cause enough damage to where I can work my way through it slowly but surely. Also keep in mind that this is a bill hook, so that this edge right here will do the back cutting that I need to do. Alright, let's work these branches off of here. There you go. That's one. Let's find another. Oh. I don't think this tree has any more on it, but we'll see. Well, it's about dinner time, and what I'm having is the old Mountain House staple, but this is a chicken fajita bowl. I've never actually had this one, but it smelled really good when I poured the boiling water into it. And also I'm having some chorizo. I love these things. So I got these babies cut up and frying. right there. They smell really good too. Ooh, you hear that popping? I like blackening them up. Yeah. Those who know me really well know that I like to overcook my meat a little bit. It's just I like those black edges on there. That one. It's really good. So yeah, that's what I'm having. Last night I had another one of those mountain houses. It was pretty good, but it really hasn't started raining a whole lot since the last time I was out there in the open field there, and sprinkled a little bit, but nothing major. Can't fill it in water bottles, so I've had to filter water out of the pond over there. So that's what I'm cooking with. It doesn't taste bad, but you can tell that it's not purified. So, but with that being said, I can go ahead and add like sugar packets and things like that to it and change the taste a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into some of this. All right. Well, that's day 2. Today was a lot of fun. Saw a bunch of wildlife. Not a whole lot of rain though. But forecast says it's gonna have a lot. Still waiting. Took water from the pond today. Big June bug on the screen. Won't get. But yeah. Those things come flying out of nowhere as soon as the light's on. But yeah, I'm gonna shut down. I'm hearing some weird noises over there though. I think they're owls, but they sound like hound dogs. Hunting season's over, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm a pretty light sleeper when I'm out here. So anything weird going on, I'll be able to hear it. I'm wide awake. But anyways, alright guys, good night. We'll see you tomorrow.